Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver coming back with another video for y'all this evening. And I wanted to get a quick video out this weekend for y'all. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every time that I make a video. We're going to take a look at the charts. There's a new indicator that just popped up that's telling me something about the market. So if y'all are interested in that, please stick around and let's begin. Alright, so we're going to get started here on our 1 hour. It's more of a chill edition because the market really hasn't been moving too much right now, so I hope y'all enjoy the background music and everything too as well. But as you can see, we did have this big kind of pump yesterday with the Chinese New Year, and then we pretty much just barred it right back down. So I think that this was probably an indication to fill some short positions, but also liquidate some longs as well on higher leverage probably. So if we can see here, our pivot point high is 84.88. Bitcoin likes those eights, as y'all know. And then our pivot low is 8252 on our Cipher SR as well. We're kind of wanting to trend above the VWAP here, which is a sign that the bulls could be wanting to take control back of the market, but our money flow is in the red here, so it'd be a hard time for the bulls at least to step it up a little bit. So let's take a look at our 4 hour here. 4 hour showing us still a buy signal that had happened last as well, and kind of losing some momentum, but also we have our a strong nice bullish divergence here, so that's a good indication that we could see some more upward potential as well too. Depending on how much we get, it's up to the market to decide. Our last big volume was our buy volume here, so more than likely it would be not as big as this buy volume here, but you know, it'd be a nice little run up. So maybe not as much as yesterday, but we could have a little bit of a pump as well. Take a look at our 8 hour here. Turn off SR real quick. So on our 8 hour, we still had a sell signal way back here. No buy signal yet on our 8 hour. So just steadily been trending downwards as well too. Our 100 simple moving average on our 8 hour is about 8100. Take a look at our 12 hour now. 12 hours still has our sell signal. No buy signal yet. Kind of looks like we want to bottom out a little bit, but what would be nice to see here would be a big green dot on our 12 hour as well. But I still feel like we still are going to need to see some downwards potential, because more or less I feel like that this is going to be a fractal pattern of what played out here as we capitulate back down. But we will soon decide whether or not we want to capitulate again. So our 1 day kind of moving into the green money flow as well. Our 200 moving average here, our smooth moving average 200 down here. So currently getting support at our 21 EMA right now. So that's holding us as support right now. We'll see if we can hold it or whether or not we break through it like we did back here. And that will decide whether or not we want to continue into a capitulation or not. So what I really wanted to show y'all is on our 2 day. In our 2 day, we have a sell signal. So I updated the Telegram group last night and told them that I saw a sell signal here. So they were the first ones to know about it. I have a free Telegram group that y'all can join. It's free to join, no cost whatsoever. Pretty much everything that I offer is free. I'm doing a giveaway at 5K subs, but you need to be signed up for the newsletter, which is the first link down in the description box below. And that's just a way for me to get a hold of y'all. I also do show notes sometimes too. If I provide links in my YouTube videos, then I'll send a newsletter out to provide the links for y'all as well. But doing a Ledger Nano S giveaway at 5K subs, but you need to be signed up for the newsletter in order to qualify for it. Like I said, the Telegram group is free, the Discord group is free, everything's pretty much free. I do have a Patreon though. If y'all want to support the channel, feel free to sign up for the Patreon. I mean, that's really the only thing that I'm that y'all would actually be paying for. And it's just private videos, it's coaching, more or less that thing. A lot of people just message me on Discord or Twitter, and I respond to them. You know, it's no big deal. Like if they have any questions or if they're curious about, you know, learning a little bit more about the markets, I'm always offering to help. So feel free to reach out to me. But if y'all do want to support the channel, I do have the affiliate links, but then also the Patreon group as well. No pressure though. Let's take a look at our 3-day here. Our 3-day, we have a little bit of a red diamond here. So that I feel like that's going to be some indication that we start to capitulate back down as well too. You can see our last red diamonds are right about here. And we continue to capitulate down just a tad bit. Now we did have a red diamond here, but didn't quite capitulate. We had a very strong bearish divergence happening here, which then led us to capitulate into this channel for the most part. So I don't think I've actually really ever noticed this red bullish divergence or this red bearish divergence here when we had our run up to 14K, but obviously that made a tremendous signal for us to start to get out of the market because of the bearish divergence as well. Take a look at our 4-day here. 4-day EMA ribbons are tightening up a little bit here. Whether or not we're going to hold support, it's going to take a while. Probably know something by next week, if anything. What I'm really kind of curious to look for are some of these red diamonds or maybe yellow X's on our 2 to 4 day. On our actually the 2-day and up, I would be curious to know if we do put in any red diamonds or yellow X's. And as you can see, these hold pretty big predicament on the higher time frames for the most part. So I'll keep y'all up to date in the Telegram group though, if y'all do decide to join. And like I said, it's free for everyone for the most part, so y'all can get started and just have an easy way to stay connected with me as well if I don't make videos. I am using TradingView. If y'all are interested, get signed up with the link in the description box below. I use the Pro Plus plan, which allows I think 5 indicators on the screen, so that's pretty good. And then if you are just interested in hodling and not trading, I would recommend a Ledger Nano X or S. Y'all can use that link down in the description below to just hodl your crypto, and then hopefully once the markets go up, you can decide to sell. If y'all are interested in leverage trading, I would recommend Bybit. It's probably one of the best leverage exchanges to use. No pressure though, but if you are wanting to decide to leverage trade, please use the testnet first. It's super simple to get signed up. You pretty much just get signed up with the link in the description box, and then you want to message support, tell them that you want to get started with the testnet to test your algorithm to make sure that you are a profitable trader, and they'll step you through it. It's like a 2-step process to get started in testnet. If you're a US customer, you can leverage trade with Prime XBT. It has a bunch of different commodities in there. You can do the S&P 500, gold, fiat to crypto, and a bunch of different things. So you pretty much just use BTC, but you can also trade fiat assets and standard commodities as well. I am using the Brave browser. It's an easy way to earn BAT token and to get paid to browse the web as well. So I have that link down there. Y'all can also tip me in BAT token if y'all like. But yeah, a super simple way to start just earning income by clicking ads pretty much for the most part. So get signed up with BAT browser or Brave browser. So our 4-day, starting to clip to the downside. Probably going to want to put in a red dot here more or less pretty soon. So I could see this kind of playing out over here, where it's kind of something similar to maybe here, and then we kind of come back down, maybe put in a smaller wave down here, and then we ride it up to the upside for the bull market. So looks like we want to top out on the 4-day. Take a look at our 5-day. So the 5 days looking pretty healthy actually. A lot healthier than expected. We have our blue triangle that appeared here on our 5-day as well, which could indicate that this trend reversal happens to where we just continue to the upside as well too. What kind of has me weird right now is that 2-day sell signal. That's just a strong indication for me as well too, and we can go back and retest that. We'll go back and look at it a little bit together. Our weekly, gonna probably find some resistance here at the 0-point pivot. Not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Let's take a look at our monthly, and then we'll go back and check that pivot, or we'll go back and check the sell signal as well too. Doji candle here could signal some reversal, so we're just going to keep an eye on this monthly chart. Really, by the end of the month, this is going to be a big determination where the market decides to go. So let's take a look at our 2-day again. We're going to go back and retest this sell signal here. So we have had sell signals during some run-ups as well too, but I feel like that this consolidation that we are in right now is just very low volume. It's usually during the bull market, the market's not going to give you time to react for the most part. So I honestly feel like that it's going to take a lot more from the bulls to continue a bull run up to the top side of maybe this channel up here, about 12K. So, but for the most part, we did have some capitulation after these sell signals go off. So something to consider. Like I said, do your own research and decide what you want to do with your own money. This is not financial advice. Also, if y'all are interested in earning passive income, y'all can get signed up for the CryptoTap browser, which is just an easy way to mine Bitcoin from a web browser. I have it running on about 2 different computers right now, and you can run it on your phone, your laptop. So y'all can get started with that. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Also have some donation links if y'all want to donate as well too. And with that being said, thanks for coming back to the channel. Keeping it pretty chill today. I hope y'all enjoy the background music. If y'all do, leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and I'll speak with y'all next time. CTO out.